Bhuna chicken masala. Let's start today's recipe. Add 1 bay leaf and few whole garam masala and half teaspoon cumin seeds. Then add ginger and garlic paste and cook until golden brown color. Add 2 teaspoons chicken masala, 1 teaspoon meat masala. Give a nice mix and cook the masala in medium flame. Masala is cooked and now add chopped tomatoes. Mix tomatoes with masala and cook together for 5 to 6 minutes. Masala is ready. Now cover with a lid, cook it under medium flame up to 15 minutes. Check and stir in between to avoid masala burns. Again cover it and cook for another 10 minutes. Now chicken is perfectly cooked. Add pinch of garam masala powder and mix it. Add green chili slices along with some chopped coriander leaves. Wow, it looks so yummy and mouth-watering. Give a nice mix before serving. And finally, Bhuna chicken masala is ready to be served in a plate. Thanks for watching this video.